and that can lead to the inflation because there is more and more money is there in the economy. So if RBI want to prevent this inflationary trend,
subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from PrepLadder.
Planning to come up with 1 lakh crore rupees for this investment purposes for this infrastructure. Okay, so this is about the we have seen so far about National Bank for Finance, Infrastructure and Development. Okay, now the next news is that is G-SAP, that is Security Acquisition Plan for Market Boost Ways and Means Credit. So in this one, what RBI is planning, RBI has announced that we are going to create this open market purchase of government securities from the market. Now if we talk about open market operations, that is OMO, they actually are the programs of RBI to sell or to buy the government securities from market or to the market. If we say, let's say, in the economy, there is a huge amount of the money is there in the economy, and that can lead to the inflation because there is more and more money is there in the economy. So if RBI want to prevent this inflationary trend, so inflation could be there. So what you need to do is you need to wipe some amount of the rupee from the market. So in this way, what RBI can do is RBI can RBI will do is RBI will sell the government securities to the people or to the market. So in this G-SAP purchase, this rupee will be coming to the RBI, right? In place of this G securities, rupee will come to the RBI. In this way, what we are trying to do is rupee will be absorbed from the market, and in this way, inflationary trend of the market will be controlled by RBI's this operation. So RBI came up with this sale of G security. In the same way, reverse can also happen. For example, rupee is not there in the market, and because of that, deflation trend would be there, or the buying capacity of the people would be impacted. If RBI wants to inject the money into the economy, what RBI will do is RBI will buy the government securities from the people. Okay, so in this way, government securities will come to the RBI, and in lieu of that, RBI will give amount of money to the people. In this way, the rupee will come to the market, and this operation of RBI is known as open market operation, where government securities are being sold and purchased by the RBI according to the trends of the market. Now we have discussed about the trend of the market. Okay, but in this case, that is Security Acquisition Plan of RBI, what RBI is coming up with, the open market purchase would be there of government securities of worth 1 lakh crore in the financial year of 2022. Means 1 lakh crore rupees will be injected into the economy by buying these securities. Now the question is, what would be there even if there is no inflation is there, and still for example we say the conditions of the market will change this scenario, or what would be the impact of this condition of market? The answer is this is unconditional buying mechanism. Means no matter whether there is inflation or deflation in the market, RBI is going to buy this government securities from the market. So this is why this is known as unconditional and structured open market operation. So this G-SAP acquisition program would be free from the conditions of the market, and this is unconditional. Okay, means if there is inflation, the RBI was supposed to sell the government securities. If there was deflation, RBI was supposed to buy the government securities. Now even if there is no deflation in the economy, RBI will buy the government securities from the market. So this is unconditional. Okay, so in this way, this is very distinct from the OMO operation of the RBI, and this is going to be a very unconditional. So in this way, RBI is going to boost the money into the economy, and also this will have the impact on the cost of borrowing for the government. That is definitely going to be very lesser. Okay, so this is a security acquisition plan for market boost, okay, of this RBI. So what would be the significance if we talk about the significance? So for government, it will definitely get the help, and RBI is going to infuse the money into the economy, and that will lower the cost of borrowing for the government as well. Okay, so if we talk about OMO operation, that is open market operation, we have understood that one. So for controlling the market dynamics, RBI has two type of the tools. That is, one is quantitative tools and the other one is qualitative tools. Okay, so in this quantitative tools, this OMO also falls under this quantitative tools. Certain other things are there, CRR, SLR, these type of the quantitative tools will be under this quantitative. In case of qualitative, there are various other instruments which you are going to learn.